With the rapid advancement of AI such as ChatGPT, it's only a matter of time before some jobs start to disappear as AI becomes capable of doing them. In this video, we'll take a look at what the first jobs to go might be. Will yours be mentioned? Stick around to find out, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps this small channel grow. The first job that could soon be done by AI is data entry work. AI can automate data entry tasks by using optimal character recognition to read and interpret data from scanned documents, images, and other sources. Machine learning algorithms can then be trained to recognize patterns in the data and accurately transcribe it into a database or spreadsheet. It can potentially do this far quicker than a human can once it has been trained to, and can analyze infinitely more data at one time than a human ever could. Next, let's talk about customer service. We've probably all seen the basic level chatbots companies have been deploying on their live chat systems that direct you to the correct department or attempt to give you a basic answer. Now imagine a chatbot that has been trained on millions of previous conversations between human workers and customers and can respond to you instantly in a human-like way and answer any question you could possibly have in seconds. Companies already keep transcripts of live chat conversations anyway for feedback and training, so the data to train AI on already exists. Once text-to-speech becomes more lifelike, you could be talking to an AI customer service agent on the phone without even realizing it's not a human you're speaking to. Jobs related to driving, such as taxi and lorry driving jobs, are an obvious choice for AI replacement. With companies such as Tesla working on full self-driving vehicles, they might still be a way off fully replacing the need for human drivers yet, but they get closer with every update, and Elon Musk remains confident self-driving is just around the corner. With the data from Teslas all over the world being used to train the self-driving AI, it seems inevitable that we will see full self-driving in the not too distant future. Perhaps in 10 years' time, your Uber will drive itself, and all taxi and Uber drivers will be out of the job. Financial services is another industry to mention. AI can help with fraud detection by analyzing large datasets to identify suspicious patterns and behaviors more effectively than a human could. AI can also provide risk assessment and investment advice by using machine learning algorithms to analyze market trends and make predictions about future performance. These technologies can help financial institutions make more informed decisions and reduce the risk of financial loss. The sheer amount of data AI can analyze at once means it would be much more efficient at predicting which way a stock price might go and if it's a good buy. AI would also completely take the human emotion side out of investing that holds so many people back and causes them to make poor decisions. Perhaps we'll see an AI Warren Buffett in the not too distant future. Do you think that the jobs and industries we've mentioned will soon be replaced, at least partially, by AI? And do you think there are any jobs I haven't mentioned that are at risk? Let me know in the comments. And please do subscribe if you've enjoyed this video.